part in the selection procedure. Can you rule out the biases?
Can you rule out the biases on part of the judges? I mean, I say this with the greatest of respect, but why are you assuming that the political representative will be biased, but the judges who are a part of the selection process will not be biased? It equally applies to all. It's human folly.
Kapil.
Okay, Deshatan Nigam quickly responding. Tushar Gupta also, I'll bring in Selam Dhadil. Deshatan Nigam quickly respond.
Padmaja ji, one thing is very clear. The independence of judiciary is maintained by making the process of their removal difficult, which is in this case already provided under the constitution. It is very difficult. Now, if the changes have to be made, they have to be made by a new law. I think this is a letter writing is the first step by bringing the new law. It can be done by the parliament, and we have to be very clear. The judges are not accountable to people. Tomorrow, if a politician makes a bad appointment, they will be questioned in the people's court in the elections and can be removed for that particular. This is where the accountability comes in, and parliamentary democracy is based on duties, responsibilities, and accountability. And this collegium system lacks all these.
Selam Dhanidharan, again, it boils down to the simple question which nobody has answered. The most strident opposition is independence of judiciary will be compromised. My question is how? How are we naturally assuming that the one representative is going to supersede everyone else? How is independence compromised? How?
First step.
Can I
Towards the only organization in this country that is now standing up to this union government, when most of the institutions are now already wings of the BJP party. So this is a step, and that is why we are fighting it. And again, I also want to tell this. BJP spokesperson today said, "Oh, it's the will of the people because in the parliament we want one member to include in the collegium." But let me make it clear: in Tamil Nadu, we have 20 odd bills. This is governor, messenger of the BJP party, who has not signed, and NEET, which we want an exemption, right? Which all the parties, except for one party, which has less than 2% of votes, have voted against NEET. But NEET is not allowed to be passed by the governor. It's now sitting with the president. Initially, it was for 1 year. It was sitting with the governor of Tamil Nadu, and now for 6 months with the president. Why? So why not?
It's funny, Mr. Dhanidharan, I'm going to end it at this because I suspect this is a debate that's going to go on for a very long time. But I'm still glad that you said that Supreme Court is the only institution which your party still trusts, and that you think it is the only reliable institution, because it's only on the 19th of November 2022 when the Supreme Court upheld the 10% reservation to EWS, you said that this is a massive blow to democracy. You criticized the Supreme Court at that time, but I'm glad you think that it's a reliable institution. I will leave